For the next 3 days, we're going to be trapping nuisance beavers through the ice to see if we can save this property. We're also dealing with a sick puking baby, picking up Nicole's brand new secret machine, and trapping in crazy conditions with this weather, from sunny 65 degrees to ice cold freezing rain and snow on super thin ice. So come along, let's see what we can catch.
We just showed up to the property and we're gonna go take a look around. We can already see beaver sign in the creeks. They've built up the dams a lot more since last year, so we have a lot of work to do. We're gonna go take a look right now at the creek, see if we can see where the beavers are at and the best spots to set the traps. Okay, this is the other side of the bridge we just looked at. Looks like it's mostly frozen right here. We had a trap right here last time on this small dam, and a beaver kept getting it, setting it off, but I never caught him. But nothing too crazy going on right here that we can tell. I don't think we'll set right here. Okay, right here last year is one of the biggest dams on the property. Looks like the property owner broke this out, and this water level is way down from what it used to be. So we had a trap right here last year. This year it's not going to be a good spot. So check this out. Let's go grab the waders, get suited up, and get a closer look at all this. Good morning, everybody. We're out here and we're about to go check these traps. Skylar got out 6 traps yesterday. I had to stay back and tend the baby, but he set 6 traps, so we're gonna go check them and see if we have anything today. There's traps right there, and there's nothing. Looks like there's another one right there. Nothing? Alright, so far we're 0 for 4.
Muskrat.
Is that a muskrat?
Yeah.
Let's see.
See its feet right there.
Oh, yeah. First catch. Yeah. It's not a beaver, but it's a muskrat. Well, nothing this morning. We got 6 more traps to set, so we're gonna get those set. I'll give you guys a demonstration of what we're doing today. Since I'm here with the camera, we'll get some set and hope for better luck tomorrow. They're still here. Alright, first catch.
Little muskrat. If you take them out of there, rub them in some snow. It's better if it's fresh powder, but this will kind of clean him off. Fluff him up a little bit.
Closer. Closer. Alright, that's like a miniature beaver.
Yeah. Pretty simple. Just close those together. Set this in the middle. And when the beaver or muskrat swims through, that's the trigger, and this just closes like a giant mouse trap on top of them. The safeties are off, so it is now a live trap. Just gonna set it right down here in the center of that run. Take our sticks. Lock it in place. Just like that.
And we just found a spot right on this lodge that looks money. They're using it heavy. Check this out. Right here you can see there's a big lodge, and there's an entrance right there, an entrance right there, and they both lead to this. The beavers are swimming down this and making this opening in the ice, And then from here, they're going all over the place down this little dam. But right here, there's like a pinch point. So we are gonna set a trap there. This area has a ton of beavers in it. They're super thick here, very overran, and there's not gonna be a shortage if we can get our traps in the right spot, do our part to help thin these suckers down. So got a lot of work ahead of us. So right now, you can clearly see there's a big run right here coming out of this lodge. I'm breaking open a hole in this so I can fill where the bottom is. In these runs, it has a big trough in the middle where they use, and it's like a beaver highway. So I'm gonna get down in here, fill with my foot where it troughs down, and that's right where we're gonna put the trap, right on top of that.
A little bit more. There you go.
Big old beaver lodge right there. So we set this last year and only caught one in 3 or 4 days. So they're in here, but they're spread out pretty hard. And if you look around me right here, there's a huge dam and a feed pile. This is a feed pile right behind me, all these scattered branches. So they eat that throughout the winter and build that up so that they can eat on that when it gets really cold. So there's tons of beaver activity right here. But right here, this little pinch point in between these two clumps of reeds is super thin, so they've been using this. So this is a run right here. We can fill it with the ice pick. So we're gonna chop a hole in this, drop a trap down in there, and when they swim through that, we're gonna hammer one, hopefully. These beavers build these lodges up every year when they're active, and you can see right here, they've just been stacking mud like crazy on this thing. Check this out. See all this fresh mud? They've been doing some serious work on this beaver lodge. Skylar's gonna check the depth of this right here. Oh, it's fairly deep.
Yeah, I wonder if it's more shallow right there.
How does it feel?
Oh yeah,
Walk
there's
us
a
through
run
it.
right here.
Big run?
Big run, yeah. It really gets narrowed in right here. Oh yeah, this is better.
Okay.
Okay, on to the next.
Okay, I just pulled up to a new spot, and we're kind of on a time crunch right now because we have a family dinner coming up, but we're gonna hurry and go set out 2 or 3 traps right here or see if we can find a good spot. So let's hit it. Moose check.
Beaver right there.
There's what?
Does that look like fur floating?
Looks like a tennis ball. Ooh, is that a beaver?
It's something.
What is that?
I don't know. It's a teddy bear.
Oh, what the hell?
A moose.
That's so weird.
I know.
Tennis ball and a teddy bear moose. That is so random. Look at that big old bank den up there, up in the bank. You're right there. Huge bank den, but it's above water, so we're not using it right now. The water levels seem a lot lower this year up here, so a lot of the old bank dens are kind of exposed, which means the beavers have found new spots. We might hop back in the truck and go somewhere else. This is just not looking super promising. It doesn't look like it on camera, but this is a monster lodge right here. This lodge is like 2 or 3 times the size of the lodges we've been finding, and this dam is freaking huge. You can see the lodge here, and you can see a run right here, feed pile, and then right there where there's a break in the ice, they're running this every day, and that's why the ice is thawed right there, not frozen over. Freaking Mac Daddy Beaver dragging those giant logs onto that thing.
Gotta be a bear.
Are you kidding me? The freaking king beaver lives in this lodge, I guarantee it. Holy crap. Look at this log. This log's got away. I don't know. It's got away like 20 pounds. Whatever beaver did this, he's big. And we need to catch him. This is nuts. I feel like I need to keep this as a souvenir. Look at this thing, babe. Can I throw it to you?
Go on our full body beaver mount.
We're not full body beavering. This is one ambitious beaver. We need to catch this thing.
We're gonna see how deep this is before I decide to just hop in. Not bad.
It's not too bad.
Here goes nothing. Ah, that's an entrance, all right.
I'm so excited to check this one tomorrow already.
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
Okay, let's find another spot.
On to the next.
So what does that mean when it's shallow like that?
So you can tap back here and nothing happens, nothing happens. I'm tapping with the same pressure, and that means that these beavers are actively swimming in this spot, which means
Let's try right here.
there's probably a run. Oh, it's probably, it might be right here. Just trying to get this to set on the bottom. Oh. My hands are frozen. Hold on. Oh.
Forgot the gloves.
Burns. Just out here doing a quick check, and one of the new traps we set yesterday paid off. So we got something in here. I think it's a beaver, but set this camera up and pull it out and see what we got. Oh, guys, it looks like a big beaver. Oh. Yeah, that is a monster. Holy crap, look at that thing. That thing's huge. Man, I wish Nicole would have came and checked this trap. I'm gonna get this thing out of the trap, which I forgot the setters. So I'm gonna have to go get those and maybe bring Nicole out here to check it out. So she's with the baby right now, but maybe I'm gonna drop this back in, let her pull it out for a little surprise. Went back and got my gloves. The baby was kind of not having it, so Nicole wasn't able to come back out here, but I'm gonna hurry and pull this beaver out of this trap and get it reset and move on to the next line. So pretty exciting. You guys will get to see me pull them out again, I guess. Beautiful color. Perfect catch right by the head. Basically an instant death for this thing, but hold it. Alright, so this thing is huge. Wow. Oh, goodness. Okay. Whew. See if I can dry it off. Just like the muskrats, you just drape these guys on the snow. And now they got that waterproof air, so it'll dry right off. Big old beaver. Gonna get that reset, and yeah, it'll be exact same set we did yesterday, so won't make you watch that twice, but reset and move along. Sure it's gonna hold 50.
50?
Oh, it's 4 pounds off of our biggest.
That's a
Its tail was hitting the
tank. Yeah, you better lift it all the way up.
50.
A 50 pounder. Look at the beaver. Is that what he says? It's not a dog.
You don't know if it's a dog or a bear or a beaver, huh?
What do you think of him?
Pretty
Is that a
cool,
beaver?
huh? Should we get some pictures?
Is that a beaver?
Look at its teeth. Look. Holy cow. That's those
terrifying.
teeth.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh, I remember this struggle. Try kneeling down with it.
I can't, babe. All right, today is check day. We're about to go check the Taj Mahal Beaver Lodge. We set 2 sets on this yesterday, and we're expecting to catch something big. So who knows? Let's go see what we got. Just taking the first look. There's bubbles, which is always a good sign. Okay, the trap is set off, guys. Okay, I see the same thing. I see bubbles. We've caught some things. Okay guys, we've caught some stuff in both traps. Let me set this GoPro up and let's get in here and have a look. There's a muskrat in this trap. A muskrat. Okay, let's go see if we caught anything else. Okay, I can't see anything right here. I don't see the trap. Okay, I can see the jaws of the trap. Okay, it feels like there's something a little more substantial in there. And there's not. It was set off and there is nothing in here. A swing and a miss. No. It's empty. Really? Yeah. No, it's strung. Dang. Oh. Dang it, that's a huge bummer. We set these 2 having the highest hopes, and one had a muskrat, one is sprung off, and there's now a trap shy beaver living in this lodge. Or a muskrat, I guess, but bummer. We're gonna get these reset, and we have 4 more traps to set, so we're gonna throw those out somewhere, find a new spot. See you guys then.
I am headed to pick up something pretty cool take a look at where I'm at. Maybe you'll be able to tell what I'm getting. Today is going to be the final check on this video. The weather is absolutely insane. Our baby was up all night puking, so it's just me solo today. I'm pulling the line, pulling the traps, see what else we have today. Let's go see if we caught anything last night, and we'll go from there. We'll probably be back this spring, but keep watching because we are going to cook up one of these beavers. We've never tried it before, so let's go see if we have any. Trap number 1 is empty. Trap number 2 is also empty. Trap number 3 is also empty, as is trap number 4. Off to a slow start, but we absolutely caught a ton right in this spot last year. But it just seems like the beavers are a little further up, and we still have to go check all those traps. So hoping for better luck up there. Trap number 5, also empty. Got high hopes for this next one. This is where we caught the big old beaver yesterday on this lodge. It's super active, so wish we had more sets on it, but we just kind of ran out of time. Let's go see if we caught one last night. You see air bubbles in the ice, that's usually a good sign. I'm not seeing our trap, so it's been sprung by something. I'm gonna set the camera up and see if we can figure it out. Alright guys, we got us looks like another beaver. Might be another pretty good one. Yeah, got us another beaver. Nice medium, probably 2-year-old beaver here. Pretty awesome. Check that out. Perfect head catch on this guy. And yeah, we'll drag him back and keep checking. So we've got, I think, 3 or 4 more traps to check, but they're in really good spots. We've got the Taj Mahal of beaver lodges to check next, so hopefully it pays off. I set a 3rd set on that lodge yesterday in a run nearby, so I got some high hopes, but we'll see. Just get this guy out of the trap and get heading back. Pretty awesome. If you guys didn't already guess, Nicole has some big plans for these beavers and their fur. Other than the catch and cook, that brand new machine you just saw me pick up is going to be to make beaver hats and mittens. Very high quality stuff, so be looking forward to that as well. Alright. Yeah, I think all the beavers must just be in this lodge, this upper lodge this year, because we're not catching any down below. There's not any snow for me to dry this thing off, but Check out the colors on these beavers. They're super light, almost silver. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, walking up on the last 3 traps here at the Taj Mahal Lodge. And let's see if we got anything today. Looks like we got us a muskrat on this new set. Let's go look at the others. Dang, we caught a muskrat here yesterday too. Oh, looks like we got some sort of beaver in this one. That's pretty sweet. And I believe this one's set off as well, but I can't see what's in it, so all right, let's see what we got here. Just a little guy, but beaver for sure. Just like that. Oh, these things are solid. Nice little beaver. Let's pull this one out. You can see it's a beaver. I think it's another small beaver. No, this one's actually a pretty good one. Yeah, another solid beaver. About like the first one from today. Solid 2-year-old. Nice big beaver, probably 25, 30 pounder. Got him going into the lodge, but unfortunately we have to go home today, but that's all right. Just leaves more beavers for next time. We're thinking of coming back in the spring and trying another run, and don't go anywhere because we're gonna cook one of these up and do a taste test and see what these things taste like. They're supposed to be good, and yeah, we'll go see. I'm gonna taste test, and then Nicole is gonna turn this fur into some absolutely awesome stuff, so stay tuned for that as well. Pulling this beaver out of the trap. And also guys, don't forget, like this video, subscribe, comment below. We're a brand new channel, so just out here doing things we love and trying to take you guys along with us. So support means a lot and helps us to keep this going, so we're not planning on stopping anytime soon. So if you liked this stuff, like and subscribe please. Let's check out this beaver. Oh man, that one's not bad. These things are so dense and heavy. I'm gonna dry these beavers off in some snow, get you guys a better look at them, but we'll go pull this muskrat out and lug these things back to the truck. Well, here's a little better look at today's catches. 3 beaver and 1 muskrat today out of 10 traps, so not too shabby. Overall, I think the property owner is going to be pretty excited that we got these out of here. They've been causing extreme damage, flooding away their bridge almost every year. So we're also going to come back in the spring and see if we can get a few more, because we just kind of ran out of time with the baby getting sick and the other unexpected things. So I'm going to load these up, hit the road, get one of these in the crock pot. Well, we made it back home and we are going to cook up this beaver. We're going to keep it super simple. We're going to just throw it in the roast. Here's a quick look. YouTube doesn't really let us show the whole processing thing, but here's kind of the end result of that. We're just going to do the 2 hind quarters of this beaver in the crock pot, test it out. So first I'm going to chop up some potatoes, chop up some onions, and then we're going to throw in some baby carrots as well. Got all the veggies chopped up. Now we're going to season the beaver with salt and pepper, put it in the crock pot, surround it with the veggies, and then pour in the beef broth. All right, got everything in there. We're gonna just put the lid on, turn this to low, and we're gonna come back in 8 to 10 hours. Well, it's been about 10 hours. I'm gonna open up this crock pot and see how it looks, give it a taste test. Never tried it before, so I've heard good things, but I am a little bit nervous.
Looks like a regular roast.
Oh, it's falling apart.
What?
Beaver pot roast. Tastes like beef. Well, honestly, guys, it's not bad. The baby was crying, so Nicole had to leave. I'm still chewing on the second piece, but honestly, tastes like a beef roast. It's a little bit sweeter than beef, but yeah, lived up to the hype. It's not bad at all. So if you get a beaver, just cook it up as a roast. That's all we have for today. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.